heard the Big Boy 314. It was the actual Big Boy 314. I literally just heard it. I don't know. Let's see if it horns again. Does that mean it's just tug? Is that the? It's probably that. Wait, I think it's the chug. It's probably just tugging. That's what it is. Okay. Yeah, I really heard it. Did you hear it too? That is insane. Oh, a jumpy spider. On our mailbox. Don't touch it. Is that a jumpy spider? Oh my. Hear it! Big Boy 314! Woo! He's autistic, guys. Woo! The spider's enjoying it too. Pour your whistle, Big Boy 414 again. Do it again, Big Boy 414. Do it. Do it, 414. Do it. Do it. Woo! Let's go, Big Boy 414. Woo! Over there, because it feels like it's heard by all over there. Holy crap! I can't believe we caught this on camera. That is so loud. Oh my dude. That's the replay. Wait, that's the diesel engine. That noise? Yeah. Big Boy 414, blow your whistle again. I want to hear it. Come on. Do it. I love to hear your whistle. Big Boy 414. It's really hearing at that one. It's really hearing at that one. Wait, how could a Big Boy 414 even get here? Yeah, people wanted to see the Big Boy. Like, oh my God, I'm a huge fan of it. That was insane. Come here, big boy 14, if you can come and get out the train tracks. I want to see you, dude. Another one. It's getting louder. My heart is beating fast. Big boy, I want to hear your whistle again. Do it. Do it again, big boy 14. Do it. That's the diesel engine. I think I just heard a chug. Big boy, I want to hear your whistle. Big boy, I want to hear your whistle. Do it. Let me hear your beautiful whistle. Do it now. I didn't know the big boy is in. Oh, wait. That's the whistle that I hear every time, like every year. Wait, I'm gonna hear it. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
How about last year?
Yeah, I did.
Like in June, July, and August?
Yeah. Dude, I just literally heard the big boy 2014 steam locomotive. What? I didn't know the big boy 2014 was in. I didn't know the big boy 2014 was in Indiana now. Oh my God, I'm a huge fan. Is it over? Probably not. We should stay out and watch.
Don't film me, please.
If more is coming.
Can you put this on your channel?
Did I just got you? Oh. I'm hearing the big boy 2014 whistle. I'm hearing the big boy 2014 whistle. That's a steam locomotive. It's the only world's most big boy alive. Dude. Yeah. I even heard it when I was born. Yeah, when we were outside.
When you were born?
Yeah. Like when we first got outside. Yeah.
How old were you?
I no. I was like 10 hours. Oh, I was 10 hours.
Oh, is that when you got out of the hospital?
Yeah.
Or were you laughing?
Yeah.
How do you remember something like that? Wait, did the big boy come back recording you?
I think so. Yo!
Of how famous it is.
The big boy
Of your favorite train going around here. Ashley, guess what?
What?
You know how I was in Chicago yesterday?
Yeah.
That makes so much sense, right?
Yeah. That's why it's here. When you get here again.
I'm gonna stop recording.
That means it's like almost at a railroad crossing. Woo! Big boy, are you at a railroad crossing? If you are, horn your whistle. Do you whistle if? Do you whistle if there's a railroad crossing by you? Dude, big boy 4014. Go ahead and put the whistle. I want to hear it again. Good boy. Yo, I literally caught this on camera. It's been 12 minutes. Wow. I literally heard the big boy 4014, which is one of the freaking most famous trains of all time. State trains of time. That was the last